Hi, today I'm gonna introduce the battery grip made by 3D printer. So this one is for the Sony Alpha 7, the first generation and second generation. So this grip is for the second generation, and this one is for the first generation. I just print out using my 3D printer, and with this one, we use the one A650 the battery, the 2 battery, so we can make the 7.4 volt to 8.4, so you can use it. Okay, so the reason why I make the battery grip is actually the capacity of this battery. So even though that is a genuine battery, that is really bad. So just 1 hour and maybe the 200 shot then wear out. Yeah, 1 hour. So this one is almost triple size of the capacity. Yeah, see. So it's better to use it. So I'm gonna show you how to use it and how it looks like. Okay. So first of all, this is the second generation, the Alpha 7 Mark 2. Okay. So we have to use this battery grip like this. Put inside, and there's a cable, but I make this kind of hole so you can push the whole cable, and then here's, you can see the screw. Yeah, and then yeah, it's good. Yeah, perfect. Right, and then we can use this one and this one. The difference is that this one we do not have this one do not have the protection circuit, and this one has protection circuit. To be honest, the protection circuit is just to protect the battery and the user, not a camera. So yeah, I think for your safety, I think it's better to use this with this battery. So this is minus, it's a spring side, and you can see this cover. This cover is quite tight, so yeah, okay, and there's no gap between cover and your body, the battery grip, and looks like this. The pro side is also good, right? And when I grab this body, always this was problem because my the grab is enough now, so it's grip. Yeah, I can grip it just with one hand. Yeah, and turn on, you can see the 100% the battery, and that is really powerful. You can record, you can take a picture of that. Yeah, it doesn't matter at all. Yeah, it perfectly work. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the Alpha 7, the Mark 1, the first generation, the battery grip. Yeah, this is also the same. Yeah, but this one I just disassembled this battery, then just connected the cable, so it could be really difficult for some users. So I recommend to use this one. Yeah, I think you can buy the dummy battery from the AliExpress, so you can use it. You can buy and you can just connect it to plus and minus. This one is better. Okay, I want to show you the Mark 1. What's the Mark 1 also same? Yes, and then put inside, and here's same. Yeah, everything is same. And then yeah, this one I'm gonna use this battery and plus and minus. Then I'm gonna use this cover. Okay, let me see. Yeah, see, this beautiful 100%. The capacity you can use, I think you can use more than 3 hours. Yeah, I just maximize the brightness of this LCD, and the sleep timing. The sleep time is also more than 30 minutes. Yeah, so you don't need to turn off, turn on this camera a lot. Yeah, before that I just turn off, turn on, because to save the battery, to save the capacity. Yeah. Thank you for watching and enjoy.